Welcome back. Today we want to talk about trigonometric function. Uh, you know that trigonometric function has to do with the ratio of right angle, right angle triangle. So if this is what angle, this plane will be opposite. That is the side that faces the angle. Then here you have this as adjacent and hypotenuse. Then you know this SOHCAHTOA. So what is x is sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Then cos theta equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then you have tan theta equal to opposite over adjacent. So that is it. Like this. This tan theta, you can equally get it by the ratio of these two. That is tan theta equal to sin theta over cos theta. That is, you can just place them on each other. Here you have opposite over hypotenuse divided by adjacent over hypotenuse. So you can have this one like this: opposite over hypotenuse multiplied by hypotenuse over adjacent. So this will cancel this, then you will have opposite over adjacent back. So you can have this as tan theta equal to sin theta over cos theta. Then let's look at the reciprocal. The reciprocal or the inverse. The reciprocal. Or inverse. Now, the reciprocal is simply 1 over each of these. That is 1 over this. This one will simply turn to hypotenuse over opposite. So that's it. And what are the reciprocal? The reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Cosecant, just in short form like that. Cosec theta. Then it will be hypotenuse over opposite, which you can have as 1 over sin theta. Then the inverse of this is sec, that's secant theta equal to hypotenuse over adjacent, which you can have as 1 over cos theta. I believe you are following. So you have also cot theta is equal to opposite, that's adjacent over opposite, which you can express as 1 over tan theta or cos theta over tan theta, cos theta over sin theta. So that is the reciprocal. Then let's look at the relationship between the identity, the trigonometry identity. Now, let's say you have sin theta squared plus cos theta squared equal to 1. So you have this one. The relationship that is this squared plus this equal to 1. So if you divide through by what? By sin theta. By sin theta. So you will have the relation. So sine theta squared over sine theta squared plus cos theta squared over sine theta squared equal to 1 over sine theta squared, sine squared theta. So what you have, this cancel this, you have 1. This cos theta over sine theta, as we said the other time, is cot square theta. Why 1 over sine theta is cosecant, which is cosec square theta. So you have this relation here. Again, if you divide through by cos square theta, you will have sine square theta over cos square theta plus cos square theta over cos square theta equal to 1 over cos square theta. Then this will cancel this. Cos sine over cos is tan. Here you will have tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. So you mind the following in the process of now. Let's use that to prove this. Here you have this. So you can have 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. You have to prove that this equal to this. Now, what you are going to mind here is those trigonometric identity that I've stated for you over there. So, again, with the one that have roots like this, there are some time that you need to apply the rule of trigonometry, the rule of sort to it. If you have it like this, you have to apply the rule of sort. So, like rationalization, if you want to rationalize, like this one, you can rationalize it. Now, looking at this, you want to prove that this equal to this. So, the first thing you are going to do is to rationalize. Like this one now, write this one down here. So, you can multiply this one, both numerator and denominator by what? By this. You only change this one to what? Minus. So, you have 1 minus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta. So, you have this one like this. That's how to rationalize in sort. So, for this, carry out this one, multiply this by this. So what are you going to have? You will have 1 minus sine theta into bracket square. Because this times this, you will have this. Again, for this, you have 1 times 1. Here you have 1. 1 times sine, you have sine this. Then sine theta multiplied by 1, you will have sine theta plus sine theta multiplied by minus sine, you have minus sine square theta. So the square root is there. Then what you have here is okay. This is 1 minus this. This minus this, that's 0. So here you can have 1 minus sine theta squared over 1. Since this one is 0, you have 1 minus sine theta squared. In trigonometry, at the end we prove the other time. I stated for you the other time. You have sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, which is equal to 1. So for this, you can find an expression for this one. So you have this one like this: cos squared theta equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. So you can replace this with this. So this one will become 1 minus sine into brackets theta divided by cos squared theta. So that is it. Now, I believe you are following. So this is how you are going to have this. Now for this, you can write this one in one. This is square, this is square. So you can write this one as this. The square root of 1 minus sine theta over cos theta. Then you can place it all together in square. Since this is square, this is square. So you have a squared over b squared. You can write them as a over b squared. So it's still the same thing. All right. Now, what you have here, this square root cancel this square. So we have 1 minus sine theta over cos theta. So we want to prove that this equal to this. So we will use this one to divide 1 over cos theta minus what? Sin theta over cos theta. So remember again the trigonometry what do you call it? Ratio I put up the other time, that this is reciprocal, which is what? 1 over cos, that's sec theta, minus sin theta over cos theta is tan. So prove it that this equal to this. So that is it. Now let's move to the other side. Look at this. You have to prove that this divided by this equal to minus 1. Like this one, you can let's do it like this. Let's prove this one like this. Since it's only this side, you can prove this. You can do this one like this. A cot, remember, is cos cos square theta over sine square x. Tan is sine square x over cos square x. That's for this. Then you have divided by, for this is 1 over cos square x minus 1 over sine square x. So you have this like this. Then the next thing is that you want to find the what is what do you call it? What is the STM? The STM is sine squared x, so and cos square x. The same for both. So for this here you will have sine square x, cos square x. So this divided by this will cancel this. Then you multiply this by this. You will have cos x raised cos this this is cos raised to power xx. That's cos raised to power 4x minus, again, this divided by this. This will cancel this. We have sine multiplied by sine. That's sine raised to power 4x. Then here you have this again. The same thing, sine square x cos square x. Again, this divided by this. So this will cancel this. Here you will have sine square x minus this divided by this. You have cos square x. All right, like this. You can simply say that this cancel this. So let me do it the way you can understand it. Here you have here you have here you have cos x raised to power 4x minus sine raised to power 4x divided by cos 2x sine square x divided by this. You have sine square x minus cos square x x over sine square x cos square x. So you have this. Then here you have cos raised to power 4x divided by cos square x sine square x. So you still change this sign like this. This raised to power 2x cos square x divided by sine square x minus cos square x. So this is what you have. Now from here, this can cancel this. Whenever you want to prove it that it's equal to 1. Now, what you have here is cos this raised to power 4 sine 4x x now from here what you have here is since this cancel this, you have this divided by this. So here with this one will give you sine square x cos square x. So since you know that that one will equal is going to equal to 1, that is, you want to prove it that it's equal to 1. Now look from here, you can write this one like this: cos square x into bracket squared minus sine square x into bracket squared. That is 2 times 2 is still 4. This time this is 4. So you have this as this minus cos square x. Now look at this: a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. Right where you can see it equal to a plus b. If you want to open the bracket for this, you have it like this. So you simply apply it here. So what you have here is cos square x minus sine square x all into brackets. Here you have sine square x plus cos square x, then divided by sine square x minus cos square x. Now from here, what you have here, you know that sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So since this one is equal to 1, you have this one as what? Cos square x minus sine square x into bracket times 1 over sine square x minus cos square x. So finally, what you have here is, now look at this. This is cos square x minus sine square x. Why this one is sine square x minus cos square x? So you can change it. Reverse sign to this side. How? You have this one like this: 1 into bracket sine square x minus cos square x. So this one will be the same thing: sine square x minus cos square x. Now, what to have here is what to write here. Is minus that carries sign, a sign that carry minus here, while this one is plus. So if you see minus times this plus here, you will have minus sign. Minus times minus here, you have plus cos. So this will cancel this. So what you have 1 1. So what you have here is minus 1 divided by 1, which is equal to 1. So that's what he has to prove. Now that's what he has to prove. You also, you can try this. So you do it, you solve that. You prove this one, prove that this is equal to that. So thanks for watching.